Okay, so there's a few things I've seen today which I found difficult to believe. This is one of them. Now, I've seen these people here before feeding the birds, so I won't disturb them.
Please follow the directional info on the display. When leaving, please turn left.
But the other thing is the automatic parking in this car. It beggars belief. It really does. It's well, I mean, I'll just show you. It frightens me to death for a start. I don't like not being 100% in control of a car, and this takes everything away from you, absolutely everything. I'm not going to park there because there's one of those big staples just there, and I don't want to reverse into that. Crikey, we'll go around here. Now, oh, she's just spoilt me demonstration. Go. Right, I'm gonna go there. So, oh, he's moving out as well. Oh, gee whiz. So anyway, we're here. There's a switch here. We click parking. You see there, park assist and reversing assistant. I already showed you the reversing assistant, but it's also showing me there. It's on park assist. It's showing me a parking space there. Now, I'm not going to do it because that Range Rover might just pull out. So I'm going to go forward, and it's looking for a parking space. We'll just go a bit further. I want to make sure it's the right parking space. So there, parking space. So now I touch that parking space. Now it was in drive going forward. I've done nothing, absolutely nothing. It's dipped the mirrors. It's indicating. It's showing me the reversing camera, and it's changed into reverse. Here we go. Foot off the brake. No hands. Oh God, I hate this. It's scaring me to death. Now, I've not done anything there. It's changed into drive. It's going forward on its own. As I say, look, both my legs here. I'm gonna. Oh God, I hate it, honestly. It's awful. There's a staple back there. I'm covering the brake, but it's picked it up there, as you can see, and it stopped me. I need a stiff drink after that. Blimey, that's worse than going around Numskull roundabout. So it just does. It does everything. Anyway, right.